Here is how to blur on Fancily. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can blur on Fancily. So let's start. First of all, go to fancily.com and then log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you will come to the home screen like this. Now as you can see on the screen, some of the posts have been blurred on my timeline. Now if you want to enable this blurring, you can simply tap on the profile icon on the top left. After that, scroll below and then go to settings. Now inside of settings, go to privacy and safety. Then after you will find this sensitive content filter. Now you can select the amount of the blur that you want to use. For example, if you want to use the strong blurring, you can set the slider to strong. Then the strong blur will be applied on the post. Likewise, if you want to use light blurring, you can simply bring the slider back to light. Then as you can see on this example, the light blurring will be applied. Furthermore, you can also turn off the blur by bringing the slider to this off option. When you put it on off, the blur effect will disappear and the post will be clearly visible. So in this way you can easily blur on Fancily. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.